Now to the latest in the Ricky Garcia trial. Today, his defense questioned a range of decisions made by the Pima County Sheriff's Department about how it conducted the investigation. The former sheriff sergeant is charged with sexually assaulting a female deputy. 13 News reporter J.D. Wallace is live downtown with how the department shut out Garcia's private investigator. J.D.
Valerie, that investigator would have conducted interviews for the defense, but a mandate from the higher ranks of the sheriff's department shut that down. Garcia's defense attorney, Louis Fidel, asked both a lieutenant and a captain about their orders to tell the deputies who were at the party to not speak with Garcia's investigator, and the reason was a prosecutor had not been assigned. The captain testified he also was ordered to tell the investigator to not contact the deputies. Santa Cruz County Chief Deputy County Attorney Matthew Cannon pointed out keeping personnel from speaking to people outside an active investigation is common. But Fidel said the deputies were not on duty at that party. They were essentially civilian witnesses for this case.
Have you ever, in your career, since 1998, ordered civilian witnesses not to contact a private investigator?
No, sir.
This is the first time for both of those.
That's correct, sir.
Have you seen a situation where sheriff's department employees are instructed not to talk to anyone outside of the department while pending the investigation?
Yes.
So what makes this case different is that some of the people involved are investigating the case and some of the people involved were witnesses at the case.
Correct.
In your opinion, that order was a little too broad?
Yes, sir.
Additional sergeants and detectives, additional sergeants as well as a lieutenant and a captain testified today about the female deputy who was being called to meet with Sheriff Nanos. She did not want to meet with Sheriff Nanos by walking in through the front door of the office, and so she actually climbed 3 flights of stairs outside the sheriff's department in order to get directly into the sheriff's suite to speak to him there. And this is a meeting that has no records as far as any sort of written records, so some of the witnesses were actually giving different dates as far as when they remembered this meeting between the sheriff and the female deputy. Now, there will be no testimony tomorrow. There will be one final defense witness, an expert witness, who will testify Thursday before closing arguments in this trial. Reporting live from downtown, J.D. Wallace, 13 News.
All right.